Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode we're going to be doing two things. One of the things we're going to be doing is to do a function that is going to reverse an array of string, while the second thing we'll be doing is to reverse a string itself. As we are given a string, we're going to do a function that's going to reverse the content of that string. So to reverse an array, we're going to first of all define the array. In this place, I have an array of fruits: apple, mango, pineapple, and banana. So we're going to be making use of the JavaScript reverse function. So we're going to have array.reverse, which will reverse the fruits. So banana, pineapple, mango, and apple. Then also we're going to reverse a string, just like I said. So let's say we're given a string of hello. For this reversing of the string, we are still going to make use of the reversing an array function. So we're going to, at the end of the reversing of the string of hello, we're going to have olleH as our reverse string. So just stay tuned. Let's dive into the code. Okay, so just in case you missed our last tutorial, we did a function that fetch out the missing number in an array of integer. You can check our YouTube page to see that algorithm that we did. So for today's tutorial, to reversing an array of string or an array of fruits, and also to reverse a string, we're going to create a new file. Let's say we're calling this file reverse array.js. So we're going to create, okay, let's create our array const array. Let's do an array of fruits. So const array fruit equals to mm, there's mango. Yeah, I like mango actually. There's banana. There's cashew. Is cashew a fruit? Hmm, let it be a fruit today. Cashew. There's pineapple. Pineapple. And there is apple. Okay, so an array of mango, banana, cashew, pineapple, and apple. So now this is the array that we're going to reverse. So let's start with that. So we're going to create a method const. Uh, what should we call this now? Okay, reverse fruit. So equal to an arrow function. So this will take an argument called, let me say, is going to be fruits. So this is going to be straightforward. So we're going to return fruit dot reverse. Okay, so we create another variable const my reverse fruit fruit is equals to reverse fruit invoke and we pass in our fruit array fruit. So if we console.log my reverse fruit, now let's see what we're going to do. Mm, you remember our method where how we used to view this, right? So we're going to have node reverse array. Okay, let's see. Wow. So now we have apple, pineapple, cashew, banana, and mango. Yeah. So our fruit array has been reversed. So the next we're going to do now is to reverse a string. So for that, I think we should create another, yeah, we should create another file. So we'll call this reverse string.js. So reverse string.js. So let's say this is the cons nice string equals to. So for this method, do we're going to use two different methods. We're going to use the two different methods, the long one and the short one. And you can tell me which you would prefer. So let's say we have a string of let me say my name. Let me say my name. Mm, AYITOY. So now this is my string and it's my beautiful name, Eyitoye. So let's do a function also. So we're still going to stick with our arrow function. Const reverse string is equal to an arrow function that will take an argument string strr. Then, so the first thing we're going to do on this now is this is a string, and we can't like just do the way we did it on our array where we have a string dot reverse. We can't do that. Instead, we're going to convert this string into an array by splitting the content of the string. So we'll go like this, const split string equal to string dot split. We invoke, and we're going to split it with this. So if we should console.log this, you will see, let's do that. Let's console.log split. So you see what is inside. So then we call this reverse string and we invoke and we pass in the nice string inside. Okay, so now I'm going to call the string. Okay, now this is the split version of the string. So now we have an array of string. So the next thing we're going to do is to reverse this array. Hmm, isn't that great? Now we're going to reverse this array. So we're now calling, say we do another variable again, const reverse string. Now it's now equals to the split string dot. Now we can reverse it because it's now a string. So now we'll reverse it, but it's still inside an array. We need it back as a string. So start reversing, then we'll have a final method inside. We'll have const join. join string. Again, still. So conjoin string equal to now the reverse string dot join. Now we're going to join it with this string. So now if okay, let's return back join string. So at the end of the day, we're returning back the final uh, string that will join. So let's say const reverse is equal to this. Now we console.log the reverse. Now you can guess what we're going to have. Your guess might be right. So we run it again. Now this is our, can I do that? Okay, I can. Now this is our reverse string. YoutiyA. I actually don't know what that means. But there you have it. This is our reverse string. Now the other method I talked about, as you can see, we have one, two, three, and finally four lines of code inside the reverse string function. We can make it a little simpler. Let's say we have it this way. We have const reverse string new equals to is taking in the same string. Now we return. What are we going to return? The string dot split will come out of it. Dot is it dot reverse now? Yeah. Dot reverse. We invoke it then dot join like this. Now this is another method. Now we call this method const ref equals to reverse string new nice string. Now we console.log ref. So comment out these lines of code. By the way, to comment out all the code at once is your control and your forward slash. So if I should run this again, I still get the same thing. But you see, this second one is more shorter and more cleaner. But to have a better understanding, the first function does the trick. You understand? So if I should run it again, both will run, and I'll still get the same thing. So if you're just joining us for the first time, my name is Clinton Ayitwoyo. I go by the name Mr. Sugar. Do well to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to leave a comment and like and share.